Every day for me, life is difficult. My entire family and friends are segregated from the rest of the community. We are forbidden to work because of who we are. I cannot provide for my family, and we must take whatever we get from the government aid. I get $19.10 a week for my comfort and $9.60 for each of my children. We are all cramped into the same building, regardless of what region we are from or of personal belief and politics. I have witnessed many down raids where they'll come and take away people like me. I never saw them again. I live in fear of that every night. I have no control over my family's future. As a parent, that is very difficult to accept. We suffer abuse and attacks every day. I don't think it's fair for my children to grow up with that. For me and my family, it is frightening. We do not know what will happen to us.